Disaster. I've crashed the drone up on the hill somewhere. I'm going to go and try and find it. So we've left the seaweed baths, and Brenda from the Connemara Seaweed Baths recommended that we go and say hi to a guy named Tom who runs a sheep farm.
Yeah, and more than that, it shows all the agricultural stuff and farming local to this area, and also with the peat.
And sheep herding and...
Yeah, sheep herding, and they've got lambs.
So we're going to go and say hi and see if we can find Tom.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high.
We've just turned off the main road and we're heading down this very small little lane towards a sheep farm. Wow, what scenery! Fantastic.
Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, oh you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough.
We've popped up to Killarry Sheep Farm, and what a spot! Look at it, it's absolutely spectacular. And what they do here is they talk about sheep husbandry, sheep farming, managing the land. They also do a show.
Out, don't they?
Yeah, they get some sheepdogs out, show you some sheepdog activity, and also bottle feeding the lambs. So it's an absolutely magnificent spot to visit. Even
and especially with weather like this.
I know, even just the views, it's just spectacular. Just in the water here, just to the side of us, you can see long strings in the sea, because this is actually the sea that's coming in and out. It's mussel farming. There is a local mussel farm, and this is one of the areas that they do it in, and it's beautiful fresh seawater coming in and out, keeping those mussels fresh and growing fast.
Along the Wild Atlantic Way, and out of the window we spotted this little road leading down to this beach, and what a beach! Absolutely fantabuliosa. It's wicked.
It's very tempting to jump in the sea, but I won't let Chris because his skin is all silky smooth.
After the seaweed bath.
I don't want him to get all salty.
That's just ridiculous. So yeah, we're going to, you can't actually park up here overnight, there's signs up, so we're going to respect those and we're going to respect that and head off down the Wild Atlantic Way and find another, we've found another couple of possible spots.
Yeah.
But we just want to show you this beach because it really is stunning.
Mountains that way, beach that way. It looks like somewhere we would swim in Malaysia.
Amazing. I'm sure the water is lovely. So we've just stopped to admire the castle and the beautiful view. Problem side of the van.
It's only a minor.
Oh, it started. That's about the 8th attempt. Go Trudy.
Woo,
we were
Trudy.
We were getting a bit concerned there.
We thought we'd found our night for the spot for sleeping. No.
Our night for the spot. Our spot for the night, maybe
spot
even.
For the night. Oh, that panicked me a little bit then.
Okay, forward.
Forward, McDuff. So Trudy is all ready for us for our sleeping, for our lovely quiet night this evening. We've managed to find lovely spots all along the way, the Wild Atlantic Way.
Disaster. I've crashed the drone up on the hill somewhere. I'm going to go and try and find it.
And we thought we'd take the drone up, and Chris has got a setting on the drone that does a circle all the way round, so it identifies something and then it goes all the way round, and I'm just directing him up to the crash site. It's up. If you go up there, baby, if you go up there and then up there, it's easier. I saw it crash, so I have a good idea of where it is. So I'm just directing him, because from here I can see where the land is, where the ramps are, where the easiest way, the pathways are up to the drone. In fact, I think I can actually see it because it's glaringly white against the beautiful grass. So watch this space. In fact, I'll show you where he is. He's following the pathway up and hopping fences as he goes. So Chris is just going to hop over the fence. Actually, I think he's climbing under the fence. It's just on the next level up, and Oh yeah, he's squeezed under the fence. Good job, Christopher. You're like a ninja. Give us a wave! Oh, this'll be killing him. That's it, over there! Bobby, it's at your 11 o'clock. 10 or 11, that's it. Up a bit, up a bit. Straight up. No, up. Yes. No. 12 o'clock. No, no. Baby, Bobby. Straight. Retrieved his drone. Little Doris, the drone. And hopefully, fingers crossed, it's not a bad crash and it's no terminal damage. We're going to have to watch this space. He's going through the undergrowth at the moment to get back to the van. Poor Doris. How's Doris looking?
Well, that was a bit of a disaster. We were filming the circle mode, so it flies in a big circle, and I thought I'd do quite a big circle, and I flew up high thinking that'll be high enough, and as it did its circle, we lost sight of it. I lost sight of it, and it decided to crash into the hill behind us. And luckily, very luckily, Marianne managed to see where it landed, and then I had to trek over 3 barbed wire fences, or under, because I tore my shirt.
Oh.
And there's just gauze, and it's
you wrestled some gorse bushes.
It's so itchy and sharp. It's like, wasn't particularly pleasant. But I did manage to find the drone, and I think she looks all right at the moment.
So it wasn't a complete disaster.
No.
Just more of a bad day.
I haven't tried to fly it yet, but I'll do that tomorrow because I'm a bit itchy.
Bit gorsey, itchy.
Oh. And of course, as you walk, there's billions of midges that fly up. Not a pleasant experience. Don't crash your drone. Although it could have been worse, it could have been in the sea. Wow, what a view. So we parked up yesterday at a place called the Sky Road, just outside of Clifton in County Galway. So we're west of Galway. And this viewing point is absolutely beautiful. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and last night after the sunset, everybody disappeared. And it was a really busy day yesterday. This viewing point was packed with lots of people, and we met loads of you guys who came and said hi. So thanks for stopping and taking the time to chat to us. It's always really appreciated. And the sunset last night was absolutely amazing. I've never actually seen a sunset like it. With the view, I think it was pretty well perfect conditions. You could see the sun dropping behind the sea in the distance. And we did a bit of a time lapse, but wasn't actually quite the right angle to get all of it to its best. So I think we're going to stay here for one more day because it's so beautiful. We're going to take the opportunity to catch up with some videos and social media and bits and pieces, because we've had a busy week with Jasper last week. But what can you say about this view? You know, you can see it behind me. The weather here is unbelievably hot. Who could ask for more? So yeah, this this viewing point will be, in a couple of hours, I'm sure, very busy with people coming to admire the beautiful view. And tonight, the sunset as well. Hopefully tonight it's as good as it was last night. So we were actually the only camper van parked up here last night. After the sunset went down, everybody disappeared, and it's a really peaceful place. So I'd highly recommend coming to look at this view. It's well worth it, especially on a clear day.